Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Zurich here at the Dollar Grand Hotel at the Zuri-Invest event, and I'm very happy I have now here Pershing Gold. You remember the great company out of Nevada in the US, and the guys want to go in production, and Stephen Alfers is here with me, and the CEO who wants to give us an update and insight into your terrific company. Stephen.
Well, you're welcome. Thank you for that introduction, and thank you for your interest in Pershing Gold.
Yeah, thank you too for that you've taken the time to be here. First of all, Pershing Gold, give us a short summary of the company, please.
Pershing Gold is an emerging gold producer. We're focused in Nevada. Our primary asset is the Relief Canyon mine, and it's located in central Nevada. It is in the Humboldt Range and situated in the middle of the Pershing gold and silver trend. We have a number of operating mines on our trend. We have a number of major companies that are working in that trend. Barrick Gold has its Spring Valley project. Coeur Mines has its Rochester project, a very powerful system that produced there at Rochester 200 million ounces of silver, and we lie just to the immediate south of Rochester. Ours is a gold project. Our plan is to reopen the mine that was operated there by a company named Pegasus in the 90s. We have been working to advance that project. We have one special advantage that perhaps our peers don't have, in that Relief Canyon is associated with a nearly new, built-out, fully permitted heap leaching processing facility that was designed and built for the ores at Relief Canyon. Our mission is to continue to expand the deposit there and to move this asset to production as early as late this year or early next year.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. What would be the timeline for that? So you're already in the process to move into production, of course.
We're in the process of preparing the facilities, and at the same time building enough tons and grade in the resources there to justify a long mine life sustainable project.
Fantastic. We did already talk about resources. What are your resources so far?
Where we are right now is we have 720,000 ounces of gold and measured, indicated, and inferred ounces. I should say that we started this project just 3 years ago, and at that time we started with something around 100,000 ounces. These were ounces that had been drilled in the 80s. They were non-compliant with Canadian NI 43-101. Since that time, we have been continuously launching exploration programs to upgrade and expand that resource. Within the first year, we built an M&I resource of 560,000 ounces. And in the second year, we moved those resources to 720,000 ounces. We have been drilling 2014, and we're having such success that we continued that program into 2015. We've stopped that program for the time being. We are now preparing an update of the technical report to recalculate those ounces, and then within a very short time we'll start again the 2015 drilling program.
Fantastic. So you just said that you have a fully permitted Relief Canyon mine there. Is there anything else missing? I mean, Relief Canyon is permitted. Do you need anything else, like hydrology, whatever, environmental stuff?
Well, we have we continue to advance that project, and mining in the United States today, as any place in the world, is a process of continuous permitting of projects and expansions of projects and further expansions of projects. It's quite conventional there. The way it stands right now is we're fully permitted to open the mine, and the processing facilities are fully permitted to receive ores.
Super.
As soon as we are ready to start this production, we'll move ahead with our first expansion. And as we get into a further expansion, we'll seek to permit still another expansion. These projects continue to move along that line until they get as large as they're going to be, until they're exhausted.
Great, fantastic. I think you had lately some very good drill results, haven't you?
Well, we did, Joachim, and thanks for asking about that. We have been stepping along our trend from our existing north pit at the Relief Canyon mine, And the driller results that we have been getting for the past year have been substantially higher grade than has ever been found and developed mined at Relief Canyon in the past. In just the last 2 months, we released results that indicated we seem to have found a ultra-high grade zone. I don't know another word to describe these kinds of results, but
it was something like 4 ounces I saw in one of the intercepts, right?
That and some more.
Yeah.
What we really have here is some very nice thick intercepts of near surface open pittable material with included grades that in some instances were at 123 grams. 77 grams, 87 grams. So what we've done here is changed entirely the view of the Relief Canyon mine. And now it appears to be very conventional Carlin-style gold deposits, near surface, open pittable, and with feeder zones of considerable grade that tend to enrich the entire deposit. So this is looking like what you like to see in a Nevada gold deposit.
Yeah, and you don't have any problems with the metallurgy when you have that high grades and you do it like at heap leach, etc.?
It doesn't seem like we do.
Yeah.
We're not finding coarse gold or nugget effect in that material.
That's very
What
good.
we have found is zones that have just been repeatedly enriched by episodes of solutions that have been leaving the gold behind. These, as a rule, we will do some limited metallurgy work on the core of the drill holes as we get them out of the ground. And so those hot cyanide tests give us preliminary looks at the cyanide solubility of this material, and that is to say, can gold be extracted by the heap leaching methods that we have in our processing facilities that are designed here? And those preliminary results indicate that, yes, they are. They're near surface, and it looks like heap leachable material for now.
Yeah, great. Final question. What is the game plan for 2015? What do you need, what work still needs to be done until you really can say, okay, now we are really in production?
Well, this week you should keep your eye on a few things. Within a few weeks, I expect we'll have an update of our technical report that will calculate our gold inventory, that will take into account some of this high-grade drilling that we've encountered this year. We'll follow that with the announcement of what our 2015 drilling program will look like. We'd expect more than 2, maybe 3 drilling programs in order to realize the potential of this zone of mineralization. So over the next couple of technical reports, we'd expect to see the deposit grow and to get better. The next thing to watch out for is we'll have a preliminary economic analysis, somewhat more advanced than that, somewhere closer to a feasibility study. I'd like to do that study mid-year in June, July, and we'll want to do that on the basis of this new upgraded technical report that we'll be releasing here in the next month or so.
Fantastic.
Following that, what we mean to do is to sit down and consider the economic decision about the timing of the startup of the mine. We'll do that on economic grounds. And I want to remind that I think we're quite fortunate to be able to limit our decision-making process to something as basic as the economics, because we do have a fully permitted processing facility. We are permitted to open the mine, and we're underway with permitting for the first major expansion that we'd expect in 2016.
All in place.
It's a matter of finding the best route for the investors and where we can get the best market for the gold. We'll make that decision on economic grounds, and we'll decide and announce what our game plan will be for the timing of opening Relief Canyon Mine.
Super. Stephen, thank you very much. All the best for that, and we stay tuned as there's a lot of good news to come, I'm pretty sure.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to working with you some more, and thank you for your interest in
Great.
Pershing
Thank you
Gold.
very much, Stephen. Ladies and gentlemen, it was Stephen Alfers, the CEO of Pershing Gold. Well, you heard it. It's a big program they are running for this year. And yeah, they have a permitted mine, permitted processing plant, permitted mill. The whole thing is there. Everything is done. And it's only a matter of economics when they really start with the production. And I'm pretty sure with drill results of 4 ounces gold per ton, Jesus Christ, that's really a lot for open pit. It's unbelievable. And I'm pretty sure the economics will be very nice, and we will see soon a very good decision here. Thanks. Check out this company, and bye-bye from Zurich.